Good day, everyone. I'm Mr. Jason Timtiman, a former special education teacher at Navajo, New Mexico, with nearly 25 years of teaching profession. Before moving in the US, I served as a master teacher, mentoring fellow educators. Now I share my experience by teaching Master of Arts in Special Education at Greenville College. At Navajo Pine High School, I have created Math Made Easy learning modules and also posted Mr. T learning videos on YouTube. One of the most meaningful moments in my journey was receiving a Commitment to Excellence plaque, a recognition to my commitment and dedication to the Navajo school community, which I always carry with pride. I handle my students' behavioral challenges with a proactive mindset. The key is truly knowing and understanding them. I use positive reinforcements and focus on building strong relationships. I had a student with emotional issues, heartbroken, 6 feet tall, and ready to explode. But when he saw me, he stopped. Why? Because we connected through basketball. I always came early to the gym so he could play. And that respect is not only in the gym but carried into the classroom. For others, I reach for someone they trust. When students feel respected and valued, behavior starts to change. What excites me most is the chance to return to the US and be part of diverse and inclusive school community again. I want to make a real difference in the lives of students with special needs. Teaching isn't just my job, it's my passion. I enjoy creating meaningful lessons with my students and also building strong connections with them. I also look forward to sharing my Filipino culture through food. Some of my best memories are cooking rice, spring rolls, adobo, Filipino style spaghetti, and so much more. Those simple moments of joy and connections are what I truly cherish.